When starting up a business, there are three legal aspects that you should take into consideration. The first thing to be considered is how to protect your idea. You probably have an idea to which you're basing your startup and that you would like to protect. There are several legal methods by which you will be able to ensure protection. Firstly, you can protect the brand name by filing a trademark in a public registry. Moreover, you can protect the format of your idea by use of copyright law. Although there is no public registry for copyrights in most countries, this law will protect you from third-party infringements if you have formatted your idea first and you have maintained a written record of it, such as, for example, written communications with your developer. There is also patent law. This may be used in very specific situations where the idea is novel and it actually leads to its protection for at least 20 years. All the above laws and procedures exist with certain variations in Europe, United States and Asia. Some ideas will even be unprotectable, but this does not mean that they will not be successful. Their success depends on whether users and clients will love the product or not whether the product is protected or not. Secondly, when pitching or presenting your idea to investors, you will be concerned about how you can keep your ideas confidential. You probably cannot keep everything confidential. Also, it's not typical to have the investors sign non-disclosure agreements. What you can do is keep a secret aspect on your presentations. For example, when disclosing a new business idea on an online application, consider carefully not disclosing the algorithm behind the application. As a last note, the regulations on data protection and privacy must be respected by all startuppers. Most of the startups will base their future success to how many users will use the application or buy the service. This means that through the application or service, user data is being processed in order for users to experience the product or learn about new products. In all countries exist privacy regulations, the most important rule of which is to get users' consent for processing of their data. Also, users must be granted the right to access their data and the right to stop further use of their data at any time. Data protection rules are very important for all businesses. In Europe, such rules become stricter from the 28th of May 2018. What you must remember is that both investors and users will find much more appealing an idea that has been designed in order to protect users' data.